it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I have a DIY today using this Pringles can. Now, I was just recently watching Holly over at Hot Humble Pie. She makes the most awesome DIYs. They're so cute. And she had a whole video on there of her Pringles cans. And she did some really cute DIYs with those. And that's what gave me the inspiration to do this. It's what she did, but it's going to be my own, I guess what you say, design. I'm putting my own spin on it, I guess, is what you could say. So I'm going to go ahead and I need to get this bottom off of here. Okay, so I'm going to take my can opener that I have here and I'm going to go ahead and get this top off of here. Okay, I shouldn't say top, it's actually the bottom. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have that. Then the next thing that I'm gonna do is this can needs to be squished. So I already actually made one of these and it turned out really cute, but the whole squishing part didn't really go the best. So I'm just gonna, I could see how the can kind of kinks there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and squish this down as best I can without wrecking the cardboard. So I'm just gonna squeeze that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Java colored chalk paint. You can use any brown chalk paint or acrylic paint, I guess, too. And I am just gonna go ahead and paint the whole outside of this Pringles can, and then a little bit on the inside. And I am gonna definitely need to put at least 2 coats of it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done and get it dried. Okay, it is all painted. Now I'm gonna attempt to seal up the bottom. This is a little tricky because I do have such a big gap here, but I'm just gonna stick some hot glue in here, basically. And then I'm gonna stick my little clamps on here. And then I'm just gonna kind of build up the hot glue on the bottom. So I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit and then I'm just gonna put some more hot glue until the bottom is sealed up. Now that I have a nice little seal on there, I got this ribbon. I think it was from Joann's. But you can obviously get your ribbon from Dollar Tree if you want. So this is the better looking side. Not that it's gonna matter, it's gonna get covered up, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my ribbon here, just gonna put some hot glue on there, and then I'm gonna attach it to the front of this, and then I'm just gonna hot glue it all the way around to the back. So I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue right on my ribbon and then pulling it around the can like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Okay, now that that is on, I'm gonna take some of this burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and that is gonna go around the top part of the can. So in case you are wondering, what I did was I painted it brown, basically just because, I mean, it's a Pringles can, so it would have shown through everything that I'm doing here. That's why I painted it. But I'm just gonna take my burlap ribbon and I'm gonna go all the way around my can on the top. Probably, yeah, burn myself a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get that all the way around the top. Now that that's on, I'm going to take some of this lace ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and that is going to go along the bottom right here. So you won't be able to see this glue mess that I have created on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and stick my hot glue on there and then put my trim piece all the way along the bottom. Okay. So I am all set right here to put my flowers in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this whole bunch of flowers here, but I need to cut them off the stems. So for right now, I'm just going to cut them all at the bottom. These flowers I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to kind of size them up to fit into this little pocket here. So I'm probably, it might need to be a little bit shorter than that. Might have to cut some of them down a little bit. Some of them are kind of tall. But basically, I'm going to bunch all of these into the top of my basket here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I don't have a lot of Spanish moss, so I'm going to take some of this fiberfill from a pillow that I had, and I'm just going to put my stems or my flowers in here. I'm going to try to arrange them somewhat decent looking. Attempt to. And then I'm going to take my fiber fill here and I'm just going to kind of fill in on the inside to keep my flowers down in there. I mean, I essentially could fill it all with Spanish moss, but that's all I have left. And the last time I went to Dollar Tree, last 2 times I think, I haven't been there very often because I'm trying to use up what I have here, but they have not had any. And it's kind of funny too, I looked on the website the other day and I didn't see it either. So I'm just gonna fill this in so I can get them sticking up the way I want them. Which, that's not too bad right here. There, maybe put those off to the side a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my Spanish moss, the little bit that I do have of it, and that is going to go on the top of my fiber fill here. So I'm just going to, well, knock everything over. But just go like that, put some hot glue on there and kind of push it down. So I'm just going to go all the way around and put a little bit of Spanish moss in there just so I can cover up the fiber fill. Hey, it's looking pretty cute. I like it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this wire jute cord because I want my handle on here to stick up on its own. So I'm going to try to get this so that it's not completely frayed. And then I'm going to stick it on the inside of my basket here. Hold that on there. And then I'm going to cut off the amount that I want to go up around over here. And then that one is going to get stuck on the other side. That way my handle for my basket sticks up. Sheesh, I'm just knocking everything over tonight. Make sure that's stuck in that hot glue there. And then there is just one more thing that I'm gonna do. So I was looking around for something for a decoration on the front, and I don't know. I'm thinking I want to put this sticker on here. I thought about maybe like a wood piece, like a butterfly or something, but I think this just kind of really, this sticker really pops out. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick a little hot glue on there, and I'm going to put that on the front of my basket. Now, like I said, this is the second one that I made. Probably going to be Mother's Day gifts next year. So that, and it's all done. Looks like I need a little bit of touch up on the rim here, but I can just grab some paint and take care of that. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other one that I made. So this is the one that I made the other day. These were actually supposed to be for this year's Mother's Day, but I only got the one finished, and so I decided to go with something else for this year. But I think they turned out really, really cute. If you get a chance, I'm going to see if I can find Holly's video and put that in the description for this video so you can see what she did. She painted them and put like I don't know if she decoupaged. I can't really honestly remember, but they turned out really super cute. I believe they were Christmas ones. So I want to say thank you to Holly for this great idea because I have a whole bunch of these Pringle cans. And if she comes out with another video, that would be great. But yep, this is my take on it, and that's it. They're all finished, and that's it. I just want to say thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love it if you like it and share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.